Standing against corruption. Corruption is the one of the biggest problems that weakens our nation. It happens when people in power use their position for personal gain instead of serving others. Because of corruption, many citizens suffer. Funds for school, hospital, and public projects are stolen, and progress becomes slow. It destroys trust between the government and the people. Corruption comes in many forms: bribery, cheating in public funds, favoritism, and dishonestly. This action harm everyone, especially the poor who depend on government support. When corruption spread, it becomes hard to achieve fairness and justice in society. To fight corruption, we must start with honesty and integrity. Public officials should serve with a clean heart and remember that their duty is the people, not to themselves. Citizens should also be brave enough to report wrongdoing and refuse to take part in corrupt acts. School can teach students the value of honesty and discipline so that future leaders will not repeat the same mistake. Technology can also help by making government transactions more transparent. Posting public budget and projects online can reduce cheating and promote accountability. Corruption will not end overnight, but if we all work together, change is possible. The fight against corruption begins with energy. People who chooses honestly over greed. Let us stand as a people, truthful, brave, and responsible, to build a nation that is a clean, fair, and worthy of trust.